Have you ever listened to your garbage disposal and thought, hey, that sounds nice. I think I want to make music that sounds like that. Well then there's a place for you in Sacramento, a festival where all of your noisiest dreams can come true. Norcal Noisefest. Noisefest began in 1995, lasting 2 days with 20-plus performers. Now, 23 years later, the fest is 3 days with over 60 artists and groups gathering from all corners of the world, and even outside the galaxy.
People come here and they check it out, and then they go back to their city and they start doing local shows because they had so much fun here and it's infectious. And then those shows evolve and there's noise fests all over the place.
Lob Instagon, a founder of the festival,
And bring your eyes to the stage and give it up for Vasectomy Party.
and self-proclaimed booking ogre, has performed at every Noisefest. To him, Noisefest has paved the way for the experimental scene across the continent.
Oh, it's totally affected the scene. I mean, when we started, there was just us.
And it's not just Lob who thinks so. The performers all agree that Noisefest is an important part of their lives.
California would be like 100% more boring without Norcal Noisefest.
It offers a concrete place for everyone to come and hang out.
And it's good that it's in Sacramento because I feel like things in the bigger cities sometimes get very insular.
Whether you come from Los Angeles, Florida, or Konos, you can find a home at Norcal Noisefest.